Dreadhalls. So the first part that was to generate holes in the floor. So in the level generator CS, there is a variable hole count, and in the start when we are instantiating the floor, so there's a bit of randomization, and if the hole count generated holes are less than the count, then I'm skipping the floor generation at that part. And also I have added this call above so that the floor is always present beneath the player. So another part that was showing the level text, so I've added a static level count in the level generator and using a text, so that text is being rendered at the start, and they are the methods to increase level and reset level. And they the increase level call when the object is picked up. So when we play the source, after that level is increased and the play scene is loaded again. And for the fall, so I've added fall despawn mono behavior. So when the player position is below 0, then the level is resetted and then the game over scene is loaded. And the reset level is simply resetting the level to 1. Now if we come to the scenes, so for first of all, in the play, the FPS controller, I've added the fall despawn script so that it's tracking the player position. And in the game over, simply we are displaying the game over text. So one thing I've changed in load scene on input script. So previously it was just loading the place scene, but I've added to take the scene as a text input, and this is the part where I am removing the volume sources so that there is no overlapping when we transition from game over to title screen. So in the don't destroy, I am getting all the audio sources and stopping them so that there is no overlap behavior. And lastly, the text. So this is a level counter text on the right top, and this text has been uh, mentioned in the dungeon generator object so that level count is displayed all the time.